Okay, I made a couple of improvements to the saw this morning. I put a new blade on. This is a different blade. This is one that has, the other ones had one tooth branch. This has got a tooth every 0.78 inches, so it's got a few extra teeth on it. And it's sharp, so it's really cutting well. Learned lessons about not fighting with a dull blade. Having problems with the rigging hanging up here yesterday, so I put a little 3-in-1 oil on there, and that's running smooth now. I put some 3-in-1 oil on these runners, these little pulleys that hold the blade in place, and they're running smoother now, not making as much noise. Then I put a better ruler on here to get a handle on what my cuts were. So anyway, this is one of the bigger logs that I've cut with it. It's only an 8-foot log, but it was a large enough diameter I had to trim the bark off to be able to get enough clearance to get the saw to cut over the top of it. So it's this is a log that's at its maximum for this rigging. A little water on this now just to lubricate the blade.